This video will be showing you how to create a double y-axis graph in Excel. So here we have our data, and we're trying to create a graph that shows computer sales over these years. So here we will decide that this is our x-axis for both of these values. And so first we want to go to Insert. We go to our scatter plot, and we decide to choose a scatter plot with lines, and it's first going to be empty because we haven't chosen any data yet. And then we go to Select Data, and we create our first data set, and we name it as computer sold versus years or year. And our x values is this, right? We decided this is our x-axis, and this is our first set of y values, our first y-axis. And then afterwards you create a second data set, which is the average price of computers versus year. And our x values is still the same, it's years, and our y value is the average price of computers. So once we do this, we just click OK, and we have a graph like this. Now, if you want to create a second y-axis for this set of y points, it's simple. All you have to do is just click one of the points here, like this. Let's say we click this, then you right click, you go to Format Data Series, and you're given the option to create a secondary axis. And that's it. Now for the sake of the video, maybe you guys want to see how we can label the axis. So we just choose a quick layout, this one here. And if you do not want the legends, just delete them. And we have our axis title on the left, but if you want to add a axis title on the right, all you have to do is just go to Add a Chart Element, and you just click here Secondary Vertical, and there you go. So you can just name this Computer Sales Year, and then this is Computers Sold, and this is our average price of computers. So this is the graph you'll have obtained now, and that's it for the video. Thank you.